Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you're looking for a fabric color that's a little bit fun but still cool, check out the Opaque color from Speedball ink. This Opaque has been fun. I wanted a gold color, but I didn't want something that's super sparkly but still is noticeable, and that is how I personally feel about this Opaque color. It still has that gold, but it's more of a deeper, darker gold, and it has a shine to it, but it does not feel over bedazzled in any way possible. The Speedball ink is super good ink as usual. It works on all sorts of different fabrics, and depending on what type of fabric you put the gold on dictates what it's going to look like. So if you put on something darker, it will come out darker, and on white it'll come out a little more light of a color because it just builds off of the fabric itself and reflects different light. Overall, it prints out super clean and easy on all of your t-shirts. If you're looking for a new color to add to your screen printing collection, check out the Opaque to give yourself that fun gold but classic color. And that's my point of view.